it's the Sunny Sisters, and it's Lucy
and Zoe.
And today we're doing a slime thing.
And just so you know,
and we're gonna show you all of our slimes. These two are in these containers. Oops. And we're gonna show you every single slime. But she only got these two slimes because, well, she does not like to spend money. So let's get started.
Yes, the first slime I have out of the milk carton is maple syrup scented. And it looks like syrup and smells like syrup. Smell it! And just so you know, the cameraman does not speak. Unless he wants to get fired.
Yeah, because he's our cameraman. And he doesn't speak unless he gets fired.
Okay, so that is maple syrup.
Look, yeah, that's.
Don't you wanna? Doesn't it make you hungry? Okay, now it's your turn.
All right, I'm gonna do this slime. It's Orb Slimy Elasti-Plasti, and it's cool. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it stretches so far. Guys, this slime will never break. It will never tear or break or it's definitely slime because it doesn't tear or break or it's just so slimy slime. All right, now let's put it back in the container. It toots. Oh my gosh. What?
Cameraman, I said you don't talk.
Oh my gosh. What? Yay! Yay, yay, yay. Yeah, okay. Now let's put that back. Okay.
My turn. My glorious turn. She's just a punk rocking her slime. So, the next breakfast slime is blueberry. And it smells nothing like blueberries. It smells like blue Powerade. It's going to be the last thing of her. No, I'm just kidding. Yummy. Okay.
Okay, it's
now
my turn.
it's her. Well, why are you sounding so different?
I don't know. The next slime I'm gonna show you guys is this fluffy slime. Yeah, this is my favorite slime. It's so fluffy and I love it. Oh my god.
You know you don't have to show them these because I have like already.
Okay. Look at this, guys. It's so fluffy and so stretchy. And it's not very pokeable. It's sort of pokeable, but not very pokeable.
It has rice in it.
Why is there rice in it? Maybe because there was rice on that plate. Ah! Ah! Okay. I need to wash my hands. Guys, don't tell the world I need to wash my hands. Oh gosh. And my hair, apparently.
Smells like cake batter.
Alright. And my nail. Alright, that was some fun slime. Don't you guys think? Guys, do you want this slime? Comment down below.
Now,
actually, comment down below which slimes you would want. Okay, now your turn, your turn.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because I'm like so annoying.
Stop. Now, this breakfast slime is coffee, and cameraman does not speak.
Cameraman
Or
isn't speaking,
show.
he's laughing.
Okay, we'll show his thumbnail. So, coffee. Let's see if it has cream. Look. Smells so much like coffee.
Looks like toffee.
No. It smells so much much like coffee. Stop, cameraman. You're gonna ruin the whole thing. Coffee.
Cameraman, if you do that one more time, you're fired.
Yes. You're fired. You're fired. Give the camera to someone else.
Yeah, give it to someone else.
There. The camera's to someone else.
Yeah,
now he
it
won't
is.
talk. Okay, so now, I believe it's your puny little self.
Okay, the next slime I'm gonna show you guys. This isn't slime, this is actually putty. Flarp noise putty. Guys, I want to show you why it's called noise putty.
The smell is so bad.
Look. It is. Yep, it is.
It smells like cake batter.
Alright. And it is so cool, but it's super big. And I can't really stretch it that much because it tears. It's like it's putty, which is putty. See? Tears. Alright, guys. I hope you liked this slime. I was about to say this video, but then I'm like, oh, it's not the end yet. Hey, why'd you? Oh, right. We don't need to show those. Okay.
Okay, sorry. Now the next, my favorite breakfast slime is cinnamon donut. Cinnamon donut. Cinnamon donut. Calm down. And it has little sprinkles in it. And it looked, if you had it on a sidewalk, it would look like ice cream melted. Right? Right? Okay. And so.
Other cameraman, don't do that. If you do that, you'll be fired like the cameraman who hired you.
Oh, he hired him?
Yeah.
You probably sent cameraman a discount.
Oh, that smells so good.
Smell cinnamon donut. It looks great with sprinkles in it. It's like ice cream except cinnamon donut. Okay, well that's the end of my breakfast stuff.
Yeah, and the breakfast stuff is all she got, so it's my turn for eternity!
Actually, no, I can play with some while you do green.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so the next slime I'm going to show you guys... Oh, I forgot to put this slime there. Next slime I'm going to show you guys is this Rainbow Burst Slimy Glue. Oh my gosh, this is like a clear slime with rainbow. Don't you guys love it? Cameraman, you can do that now. I won't make you in trouble.
I will.
Oh, but... Yeah, that smells terrible. Guys, most of my slimes smell terrible, except for the one that I want to show you that is very good.
The one that smells like cake batter.
Yeah. Hey, you're playing with that one? Well, you have to stop playing with it right now. The next slime is this one. This cloud
Okay, guys,
slime.
I will be right back. I have to wash my hands.
Alright, guys. This is my least favorite slime because of the texture.
I told you not to talk. You'll be fired like the other one.
This feels like kinetic sand. I do not like the texture, and I don't like the slime. Alright, now, on to our last slime. I'm probably going to get kinetic sand in it. Kinetic sand slime.
Okay, I have
Thanks for making a mess.
What? Cake batter smells
Look at
so
that.
good.
It smells like cake batter.
Oh yeah. It says it looks like this, but it looks totally different.
Zoe, it's
Nickelodeon.
look, it's supposed to have these in it, but they're at the bottom, so I couldn't get them. It looks like pink milk. I feel like that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Oh wait, I gotta go. Bye. Does she always have to go places? Bye.